Some changes and for at each their nice course we have given a proper command and state moving traffic will use tunnel. This lane that way we use tunnel and then turn and whoever they want to divert towards nice road they will use that. Yes sir. They have to join our express area. So their suggestion is that condition here. So from NHAI side, sir, we have no issue. But government of Karnataka, this junction is also land entrusted to government of Karnataka. We have to start quite early. After this, it will take more time to go down. So then new metrics will release it. Tunnel is more difficult, and that also there is the issue of water loss. So because some engineering solution needs to be done for water loss. This is a very complicated thing. Because metro is also there, our highway is also there, and lots of